The Layn Turo quick tips. I'm going to share an additional idea that may be able to significantly help you save a lot on insurance. Car insurance could be pretty expensive, especially as you grow your fleet. It becomes a really probably one of your main and probably biggest expenses you have. So something, and for just a little bit about my background, I'm a Turo Power host, no arrogance attendant. I have a background in finance. I've been insurance licensed for over 9 years. I'm also real estate licensed, so I know I have quite a bit of information on how to actually properly protect yourself. I'm not perfect, but this channel is meant to share a lot of my strategies that have worked for me and other people I know and clients I've had, and I'm a business mitigation specialist. But anyways, let's get right into it. So the point is, you can actually start saving money right off the bat. For those that don't know this, again, I have been insurance licensed for over 9 years, so that you might maybe knew this or maybe don't. Consider contacting your insurance company, and if you have, say, a renter's policy, a homeowner's policy, if you own a home, if you own a piece of property, and you have some type of insurance on it, consider contacting your insurance company and saying, hey, I own this piece of property, I own this home, I own this condo, or hey, I rent an apartment, or I rent a space in a guest house, whatever. I have a renter's policy. Oftentimes, insurance companies are inclined to give you multi-policy discounts. And the cool thing about this, even if you buy something as small as maybe a renter's policy that's usually pretty cost effective, you might actually find out that it gives you a pretty significant discount. So maybe your renter's policy is only $10, right? Maybe you don't even have renter's insurance, but just by getting the policy, you maybe save 10-20%. And if you're paying, say, maybe $1,000, you just saved $100, right? If you're paying $2,000, you just save $2,000. This could even be bigger. Or so consider this: even if you don't have a certain policy, you might want to seriously consider, are there any policies that you need that can help you? Don't buy anything extra that's a waste, but see if I buy this extra renter's policy, does it give me this coverage? But more important, does it give me this big discount? Now I have a multi-policy discount. Also, for those that are hosts like myself that have multiple cars on the Turo platform, you can actually oftentimes get discounts for multi-vehicle discounts. So there's multi-policy discounts where you get multiple policies, like life insurance policies. So if you want a life insurance policy, or if you already have a life insurance policy, you can even contact your insurance company and transfer your life insurance policy oftentimes, or switch it out and see if they could give you a life insurance policy and honor a discount for you. Might make sense. Not telling you to do this, not telling you not to do this. But another way, having multi-vehicle discount, if you have multiple vehicles as you grow your fleet on the Turo platform or in general, you can actually get rewarded for adding multiple cars to your policy. So highly recommend that. Contact your insurance agent, your insurance broker, the insurer, the actual insurance company, and ask them these questions. And then, most importantly, a cool way to do it is, often if you're in school, if if you're a professional, say you're an attorney, you have a JD, maybe Juris Doctorate, maybe you're an MD, maybe a physician, maybe you have an MD, or hey, even if you have some accredited degree from an institution or even a college, or university, you can actually contact them and they might have some type of professional discount. And for students, it could be rough, yo. It's a crazy world now. But the cool thing about being a student, for everyone that understands this, it can be pretty daunting. You can save a lot of money by getting extended a good student discount. Maybe you have a GPA of maybe 3.0 or above, or maybe you might even accept it if it's a lower GPA, or just by you being in school, they may offer you an extra discount. You'd be surprised, a lot of insurance companies actually are inclined to give you discounts. You just have to have the documentation and just the will to ask. Ask them this. Even if you forget everything in this video I just stated, just say, do you guys offer discounts, and what type of discounts? And go through the list. Ask them if they can email it to you or go over it with you, so you go through and see, hey, how can I qualify for these discounts? Do I need to maybe take an extra course? Do I need to maybe take a little cheap course down the street? Maybe there's a good driver discount oftentimes, or do I need to go through maybe AAA or somewhere and get this free course, or pay a pretty cost-effective amount and save more in the long term? You gotta be creative. You want to save money, especially if you're serious about this business and growing your fleet. The more money you save is the more money you make in the long term. That's more money you can use to invest in stocks. You can invest in real estate, invest in more vehicles, invest in yourself, or just more money to have, at least build your net worth. Consider doing that, people. Always do your absolute best. Contact the agent, contact the insurance broker, contact the insurer, the insurance company, whoever you need to speak with, and ask them what discounts do they offer people. I just gave you a few different ideas. Consider that, and also consider, oftentimes you'll notice, if you change your address, but do this in a scrupulous way, not an unscrupulous way. Be legal. And oftentimes, another secret is that maybe you park your cars or garage them in a different area. This I understand. If you own 10 cars, 20 cars, you might not park them all at your home. So at this point, you might actually want to consider contacting your insurance company, and seeing, hey, if I park them at this other zip code, I have multiple cars. Obviously, I have them with you guys. with this insurance company. Can you guys give me a discount? Oftentimes, prices change based on the zip code you're in. Now, it might go higher. You might want to say, hey, nah. Or if it's significantly cheaper, you might want to let them know, hey, this is what's going on. Very, very important, people. I love you guys. That's how you actually start saving money. That's a quick tip. Went a lot longer than what I anticipated, but welcome to Layn Turo Quick Tips. That's how you save money with insurance. Love you guys. Follow me on Instagram, Conrad Layn. Leave your comments, questions below. Don't be shy. Pretty good about answering. Welcome to my city of Los Angeles, right behind me, and stay tuned. Let's do this. Peace.